In this video, I'm going to show you how to create segments in MailChimp step by step, so you can organize your audience, target the right contacts, and send more relevant email campaigns. Segments are one of the most powerful tools in MailChimp because they let you group people based on behavior, status, location, tags, and more. That means better personalization, better engagement, and better results for your email marketing. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the site loads, sign into your account using your email address and password. After you log in, you'll land inside your MailChimp dashboard, where you can manage your audience, campaigns, automations, and reports. Now look at the left-hand menu and click Audience. This is the section where MailChimp stores your contacts and audience tools. From there, select Segments. This will take you to the Segments page, where you can view any segments you've already created and build a new one from scratch. To create a new segment, click Create Segment. MailChimp will open the segment builder, which is where you define the rules for who should be included in that segment. Think of this like setting up a smart filter for your audience. Instead of manually sorting contacts, one by one, MailChimp does the work for you based on the rules you choose. Next, click the Select or Search a Filter drop-down menu. This is where you choose the type of data MailChimp should use for your segment. You can segment by things like email marketing status, tags, sign-up source, location, contact rating, purchase activity, or custom fields. The filter you choose depends on what kind of audience group you want to create. For example, if you want to reach subscribers in a certain city, you could use location. If you want to target people based on how they joined your list, you could use sign-up source. If you want to group people who bought a product, purchase activity would be the better choice. If you use tags in your account, tags can help you create very specific and organized segments fast. After choosing your filter, the next step is to define the rule. MailChimp will ask you to choose an operator or condition. Common options include is not, contains, does not contain, greater than, and less than. This tells MailChimp exactly how to interpret the filter you selected. Then enter or select the value that matches your criteria. For instance, if your filter is location, you might enter a city or country. If your filter is tags, you might choose a specific tag name. If you're using contact rating, you could choose a rating threshold. The more specific you are here, the more accurate your segment will be. Once your rule is set, it's a good idea to review everything carefully before saving. Click Review Segment, and MailChimp will show you all the contacts that match your selected conditions. Take your time to scan the list and make sure the audience looks correct. This step is important because it helps you avoid sending campaigns to the wrong group. If everything looks right, click Use Segment. Then click Save and Exit. MailChimp will save your new segment, and it will be ready for future campaigns, automations, or audience targeting. And that's it. You've now learned how to create segments in MailChimp. This simple process can help you send more personalized emails, improve your targeting, and make your campaigns much more effective. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.